So let's talk a little bit about squaring these up. I love having a little extra.
Okay.
So I have some space for any wonky cutting that I might have done or anything like that.
Or wonky sewing.
2 lines and you sew on those. I do kind of sew just a tiny bit inside.
Oh, what's the word?
line.
What's the word?
Scant.
Scant or titch.
Titch.
It's a titch.
Right there? Nobody saw that.
We're gonna press that. So we've got these arrows where it's going to line up. Okay,
So I'm
there
gonna go
it
right
is.
there. I hope I had a
Skip
sharp enough ruler.
right there.
Okay, and then with this rotating mat, you can just twirl it around. You just really need to cut off just that little thing right there.
All right, but it makes a big difference.
It
in the end.
really does. If you put 10 blocks across, 10 times this, that'll add up to almost a full inch,
Okay.
you know?